My signature's right next to Rex.
What's up guys, it's Rex from Auto Concepts. We're out here at AleSmith Brewery today for Autofashion Festival. A lot of cars here coming out from SEMA. We came here from SEMA as well, so we're pretty stoked to be out here, have some good food, and hang out with some good friends.
What's up guys, Chris here. We are at Autofashion VIP Fest 2025 in San Diego, California. I'm with the R1 Concepts booth. Thank you Rex, Paul, everyone over there at the shop for having me out here representing. This is an amazing show. If you just want to be surrounded with good times, good people, amazing builds, this is the place to be. Great food, good drinks. Like the atmosphere here is just absolutely incredible. By far, one of my favorite shows. This is my first time doing it and I will definitely be back next year to do it again. So check out what we got going on here today and hope you guys enjoy.
Is R1 Concepts. They have a rotor and pad setup for your front brakes for virtually any application. Congratulations.
It's been an eventful day, really nice day out here in San Diego, California. Good food, good people, chill vibes. I hope you enjoyed the show. We'll see you on the next one.